So these questions are there. Start sending me the answer of first. Chalo, start. Pavitra Kumawat B, Pavitra Kumawat B, Varun Patel 27, Shruti Nair B, Varun Patel 27. Yes, send me more. Sarthika Dubey B, Hina Chaudhary B, Dharti Patel B. Yes. What about others, my dear? Send me the answer. Gauri Samant B, Gar Vyas B, Mohammad Mikhail B. Okay. Gar Vyas B, Anushri B, Vedika Patel B, Vamsi B, Bhupesh Yadav B, Arya Sanak B, Bhupesh Yadav B, Darsh Mori B, Bhupesh Yadav B, Darsh Mori B, Bhupesh Yadav B. Chalo, what about others? Tanmay Shinde, you are not writing. Bhupesh Yadav B, Sathika Dubey B, Tanmay Shinde B. Okay. हाँ B. स्वरा महाडिक B. अरे माय डियर let him write no. Mohammed Mikhail B, Anushri Sakhalkar B. Okay, Anushri has also written B. So let me go with Anushri and log the answer B. Answer is 27. How? See this part. 4 upon 9 is equal to 12 upon dash. See, this I have already explained. 4 upon 9 is equal to 12 upon dash. See, you see the numerator. 4 is my numerator and 12 is my numerator. 9 is my denominator. So we have to find denominator. Okay? Numerator 4 has become 12. So when 4 has become 12, when you have multiplied with 3. Yes? So similarly you have to multiply denominator with 3 also. So 9 3s are 27. So the correct option is B, 27. Okay? So majority of you, Tanmay Shinde, Swara, everybody has given the answer 27. Very good. Chalo, send me the answer of second. Pavitra Kumawat B, Shruti Nair A, Varun Patel. I want the answer of second. So all of you stop. Arya Sanap A, Varun Patel A, Dharti A, Pavitra Kumawat A, Darsh Mori A. Okay, who else? Yes, Anushri, what is the answer? Tanmay Shinde, what is the answer? Vamsi A, Mohammad Mikhail A, Gar Vyas A, Gauri Samant A. Chalo, Arya Sanap, what is the answer? Jayanti Darji A, Vedika Patel A. Yes? A means 7 upon 9. Okay. So majority are telling 7 upon 9. Let us see how it has come 7 upon 9. 7 upon 9. Lowest term means you have to cancel the common factor of numerator and denominator. Lowest term means you have to cancel the common factor of numerator and denominator. Okay. So this is 42 upon 54. 42 upon 54. 42 I can write 7 6 are 42. 54, 9 6 are 54. 6 6 get cancelled. What is left? 7 upon 9. So the correct answer is 7 upon 9. So A was the correct answer. The correct answer is A, 7 by 9. Chalo. Yes, third one I will discuss after 2 minutes. Third one I will discuss after 2 minutes. And let me give you the option for third. Let me give you the option for third also. Okay? So take 2 minutes to solve third. After that we will discuss. Yes, my dear, already it is in mixed fraction. You have to convert that into improper fraction. Okay? Main answer mixed fraction. Yes, nobody will disturb my dear. One minute, my dear, I am sorry. Yes. I am giving the option, yes. No, I am solving, my dear. Okay? I am solving this. 1 minute. What? 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me do it. Chalo, yes. Let me erase. No, it will not be 24. Okay. No. Third option A. 8 is to 2 upon 24. B. 8 is to 1 upon 24. C. 1 is to 8 upon 24. D. 1 is to 24 upon 8. Chalo. Send me the answer. Send me the answer. Pavitra Kumawat D. How D, my dear? You are wrong. Bhupesh Yadav D. How D? Jayanti Darji B. Okay, Jayanti Darji B. So she has got something different than D. D is not the answer, and I will not reveal whether B is correct or not correct because others are solving. So Jayanti Darji, she has got the answer B. Chalo, do it. Yes, Vamsi, Tanmay, Gauri, Arya. Then so many students are there. Vedika Patel B. Okay, Vedika Patel, Jayanti Darji B answer. 2 students have got B answer. Vedika Patel B. Jayanti Darji B. So far only 2 students B answer. There may be C answer also, A answer also. Shruti Nair B. Third candidate B answer. Ichha Chaudhary B. 4. Anushri Sakalkar B. Sarthika Dubey B. Hina Chaudhary B. Swara Mahadik B. Gauri Samant B. Sarthika Dubey B. Dharti Patel B. Arya Sanaf A. Arya Sanaf is A. Arya Sanaf has got A. Chalo, A answer I have got, B answer I have got, D answer I have got. Vamsi Ravaria B. Okay. Yashveer D. Soham Dhanavade B. Sarthika Dubey B. Mohammad Mikael B. Okay. Mikael, you got the answer B. So there are answer of B also. Urja Almeida B. Okay. Urja has got B option. Very good. Let us see. So B answer is also there. Final C. Yashveer Dinesh Patel. Why you want to final C? Because there are B answer also, C answer also, D answer also, A answer also. Let us see. See here. The correct answer is B. 8 is to 1 upon 24. This is nothing but 193 upon 24. B is the correct answer, because when you will solve this, you will get 193 upon 24. When you will divide 193 by 24, you will get 24 8s are 192. So 192 plus 1, 193 upon 24. So B is the correct answer. Let me explain how. So the correct answer is B. Yes, correct answer is B. How see this? The correct answer is 193 upon 24. So majority of here. Let me explain, no, because I have to teach each and every student, no. So let us solve this. 8 is to 5 by 6, minus 3 is to 3 by 8, plus 2 is to 7 by 12. Okay. So they are mixed fraction. Convert them into improper fraction. So 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 5, 53, 53 by 6 minus 8 3 are 24, 24 plus 3, 27 by 8 plus 12 2 are 24, 24 plus 7, 31, 31 by 12. Okay. Now denominators are different, 6, 8, 12. So I will take LCM. LCM of 6, 8, 12 is 24. Yes. My dear, LCM is 24. How we have calculated series? 6, 8, 12. You can divide them by, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone, otherwise I will remove. Yes. हाँ, चलो ठीक है. हाँ, I have removed. I have not muted. चलो. 6, 8, 12. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. Again by 2. 3. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Again by 2. 3 1 3. Again by 3. 1 1 1. So 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. LCM is 24. So now we have to make denominator of each 24. We have to make denominator of each 24. We have to make denominator of each 24. So this is 6 multiplied by 4. So this becomes 53 into 4 upon 6 into 4. This is 8. You want 24 multiplied by 3. 27 into 3 upon 8 into 3. Yes. But that login ID should be same. Then only we can admit. If login ID is different, we cannot admit. Okay. So this is 12. We want 24 multiplied by 2. 31 into 2 upon 12 into 2. So this is 53 into 4. 4 3s are 12. 5 4s are 20 plus 1. 212 upon 24 minus 81 upon 24 plus 62 upon 24. 62 upon 24. Now denominators are same. 24, 24. You can add numerator. 212 minus 81 plus 62 upon 24. So 212 minus 81. 212 minus 81. You can simplify. 2 minus 1 is 1. So let us solve. 212 minus 81. Or see here. This number which are having plus sign you can add together. This is plus, you can add together. 212 plus 62 will be 2 plus 2 4, 274. 274 minus 81 upon 24. 274. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 17 minus 8 is 9. 193 upon 24. When you divide 193, 24 8s are 192. 1 is the remainder. So this I can write 8 is to 1 upon 24. 193 upon 24, which is 8 is to 1 by 24. So B option was correct. Yes? Is it clear to everybody? There is no doubt now? Okay. There is no doubt? Okay. Yes, what happened? Screen is clear, my dear. Yes, tell me. चलो ठीक है. Fourth one. 12 upon 35. Let me give you the option. Options. Okay, give me some time. Options. Fourth one. Option A. 7 upon 45. B. 8 upon 45. C. 9/45, D 10/45. Chalo. Send me the answer for fourth option. Shruti Nair B. Okay. Varun Patel B. Ankita Singh B. Varun Patel B. Pranav Kotian B. Pranav Kotian B. Hina Chaudhary B. Vedika Patel B. Pranav Kotian B. Chalo. Sarthika Dubey B. Dharti Patel B. Okay, what about other? Mohammad Mikael B. Yashveer Dinesh Patel B. Anushri Sakhalkar B. Soham Dhanavade B. Swara Mahadik B. Sarthika Dubey B. Bhupesh Yadav B. Okay, what about other? Gauri Sawant B. So everybody is giving the answer B. Gauri Sawant B. Yes, Tanmay, you are not writing. Arya Sanap, you are not writing. Ankita Singh B. Yes, write down answer in the chat box. Yes, you have not written the answer for fourth. Which option? No, nothing should be written. See, my dear, nothing should be written except your option. I have taken the attendance. I have taken. Chalo, not an issue. I have taken the attendance. So yes, Darsh More B. Okay, Darsh More B. Chalo, anybody else want to give the answer? Yes. Bhuvan Shah. Chalo. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. 8/45. The correct answer is 8/45. How see this? 12/35. When we convert division into multiplication, we take reciprocal of second. So 20/14, I will write 14/27. B. So this is 12 into 14/35 into 27. Let us cancel the common factor of numerator and denominator. See, you can cancel 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14, 5 7s are 35. 35. 5 7s are 35, 2 7s are 14. 12 and 27. 4 3s are 12, 9 3s are 27. So what is left? 4 into 2 upon 5 into 9. 4 2s are 8, 8/45. So the correct option is 8/45. Yes, is it clear? 8/45. Yes, all of you agree? 8/45. चलो solve fifth one. बोलो yes. Where it is coming here? Where? Okay, so let it be. No, what is there? Whichever is the correct option in examination, I can give all the 10 question A option. So don't go for bluffing the answer that A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Subjective paper should be solved. So now, chalo. No. Yes. Objective you have to write on the paper and make single PDF and upload. Okay. Do not type the answer off. Now fifth. Objective you have to write it on the papers and then take the image and make the PDF. How you have done last year, same thing. Chalo, let me give you the option for. Chalo. Objective will be directly, subjective you have to write it on the paper. Okay. Subjective. Chalo, solve this fifth one. Let me give you the option. Okay. Chalo, let me give you the option. Chalo. Fifth one. Option A. 1:7/5. B. 1:6/5. C. 1:4/5. And D. 1:1/5. Chalo. Send me the answer of fifth. Very quickly. Chalo. Shruti Nair B. Shruti Nair B. B. Yasveer Dinesh Patel B. What you are doing, my dear? Vedika Patel B. B means wrong answer. Yes. Do it fast. Vedika Patel D. Okay, Vedika Patel D. What about other? B. Why BODMAS, my dear? You simplify first bracket. First you simplify bracket, then you simplify with this 1/3. 1/3 divided by this, whatever it comes in the bracket. Mahendra Devasi B. Mahendra Devasi B. Vedika Patel D. Okay. What about other? Gauri Sawant, Arya Sanap, Tanmay Shinde, Mohammad Mikael, then Baraskar. Yes, where are these students? Anushri Sakhalkar B. Anushri Sakhalkar B. Yasveer B. Soham B. Arya Sanap B. Gauri Sawant B. Swara Mahadik B. Swara Mahadik B. B is the Varun Patel C. Varun Patel C. Varun Patel C. Hina Chaudhary B. Dhruvi Duberia C. Hina Chaudhary B. See here. Let it be, my dear. The correct option is D. Vedika Patel D. Vedika Patel has given the correct answer. 1:1/5. Now see this, how it has come. This is 1/3 divided by 4/9. LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. So this will be 8/9, 8/18 minus 3/18. So 1/3 divided by 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3/18. 8 minus 3/18. And D is the answer. D. 1/3 divided by 5/18. So this will be 1/3 multiplied by 18/5. So 3 6 are 18. So answer will be 6/5. 6/5. 1:1/5. So the correct option is D. 1:1/5. Yes. Yes, same way. So only one student, Vedika Patel, she has given the answer D. Okay. Yes, Tanmay, what happened? Today you are not in a mood to give the answer. Tanmay Shinde. Yes. Okay, chalo. Not an issue. So correct answer is D, and the answer was given by Vedika Patel. Sixth one. Now let me discuss sixth one. My dear, 6/5 is the improper fraction. Whenever numerator is greater, it is improper fraction. Improper fraction you can convert into mixed fraction by division. This is 6, this is 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1, so this is 1:1/5. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. So it is there no D option, 1:1/5. Okay? 1:1/5. In the option it is not given 6/5. It is given 1:1/5. Chalo. Work out sixth one. Let me do it myself and then give the option. Okay? Okay. Okay. Chalo. Let me give you the option. Sixth one, option A, 1 by 16, B, 2 by 16, C, 3 by 16, D, 5:1 by 3. Chalo, which is the correct answer? गर्भ व्यास सी, अंकिता सिंह सी, गर्भ व्यास सी, गर्भ व्यास सी, चलो गर्भ व्यास सी, महेंद्र देवासी सी, अनुश्री साकलकर सी, श्रुति नायर सी, वेदिका पटेल सी, मोहम्मद मिकाइल सी, हिना चौधरी सी, महेंद्र देवासी सी, युग्नति रीता सी, महेंद्र देवासी सी, प्रणव कोटियन सी, चलो प्रणव कोटियन, सार्तिका दुबे सी, गौरी सावंत सी. What about others? भूपेश यादव सी, सोहम धनावड़े सी, भूपेश यादव सी, चलो और भी. यस, अदर्स. वरुण पटेल सी, वरुण पटेल सी. So C is the correct answer. Why see this part? 2 by 10 into 5 by 8 into 3 by 2. You can cancel 5 2s are 10, 2 get cancelled. What is left? 3 into 1, 3 upon 8 into 2, 16. The correct answer is 3 by 16. And it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction you cannot convert into mixed fraction. So the correct option is D. Correct option is C, 3 by 16. Yes? No, multiplication you do not take reciprocal. We take reciprocal in case of division. Division, yes. Okay, so now we stop here. Next period we will see few more problems of fraction. Revise all this. Yes. I will upload. Bye everybody.